Yeah. Hello. So let's put that out there. I thought today I'm doing a video a day, so I thought today, because I did one at Texture, I've done one at Texture, I'll put it on another day. This isn't one of my things. It's just I thought I'd do something a bit different. So this is how I would make teapots. I don't really make teapots. I've not made one for years, but it's always interesting to watch people do things. So I thought teapots they're quite a nice little thing to play with. So how I used to make teapots, I'd do them off the hump, and if I were doing a lot, I'd do this and I'd make nothing but lids, then I'd do a cone and I'd make nothing but spouts, and then I'd weigh and set my pointer and stuff for doing the bodies if I was doing them as batch. But this is just a demo, so it'll be a bit rough, but this is how I would do teapots. So first off, I'd start off, bring up a little bump off the hump, centre that, pull that out, get your little bit for the lid there, and then lift that. And you could, if you wanted to, sort of cut into that with your, and get as close to a finished lid as you can off that. So you've got less to turn. Normally I wouldn't bother with that. I'd just leave it and turn a bigger amount. But yeah, you can fiddle with that. That's just a quick how you'd do the lid. And for there's a couple of different spouts. You can do a spout that is just that, but I prefer one that bellies back in, a bit like a water balloon hanging. So spout, I'll bring up a bit like that. And then I like one that comes out and then back in. So it has like almost like it gives it a bit to catch and increase the pressure of the tea. And obviously throw that up. That just a nice bit of straightness at the end, just so it gives it direction for the tea to pour. And again, you might take a bit more time if you were doing one you'd keep, or you can bring the rib in and smooth that up a bit like that. I like it, so I'd cut that like that. So that'd be the spout. And then leaving a good chunky foot if you want for the foot ring. If you want to put a foot ring on, just do a sort of your standard round teapot. So pull up your cylinder, but with a sort of a belly in it, like a bowl. Stop shy at the rim, so that's got a nice bit of thickness that'll hold the pot together as I belly it. Bring the belly out. It's a nice fast wheel to bring the belly out, so you can do it in a reasonably fluid way, get a decent curve on it. I'll just tidy that up a bit with the rib. Mop out, obviously I don't need to do that, it's just a demo piece, I'm just going to destroy it at the end. And then that's nice and tidy. Then using the edge of my thumb, slice into that weight that I left there to give myself the gallery. Like so. And with any luck, the lid would fit in there like that. That's alright, it's a mil off or so, so it's not too bad. And then you'd cut this, and this is very rough, so cut this at, obviously when drier, cut that at quite a downward angle and bung it on the thing, and obviously a bit drier and it's a bit neater, and you'd end up with a teapot. Okay, so that's a quick run through of how I would make teapots if I still made teapots. I might start making teapots again. Not made any for ages, but if people start wanting them, I'll make them. And that's that. Okay. All right. Bye.